Hey, what's up guys? Sorry, we had some issues with the sound on the original recording of the video, so I'm having to record the sound in post and add it back to the video. Today we're going to be unboxing Infinikey Vanir, something I've been looking forward to for quite a while. This is a green and white keycap set with Runic sub-legends, and there are green accents as well in the keycap set. So let's take a look over at the product page. And as you can see, this was available from the Key Company, and this is manufactured by Infinikey. So the keycap set, like I said, is a green and white with Runic sub-legends. There was also gold accents on the enter and the escape key. There was 4 options available. There was an extensions kit, there was green alphas, and there were novelties. So if you didn't have compatibility with the base kit, one of those extensions or novelties is gonna add some extra compatibility. There was 2 options available for desk mats. I picked up the Heart of the Stag. Let's pop into this box and see what we've got. So there is a new packaging that the Key Company is using for their desk mats, which is more of like a poster roll, like you're used to getting posters in. So here is that desk mat. Came with a sticker as always. Can never have too many stickers in my book. I think this desk mat came out looking really nice. It's not saturated or washed out like we're used to seeing with a lot of TKC's latest stuff. So let's pop into these keycaps. Let's take a look at how they came out. And here we are. As you can see, it is green and white and does have the Nordic sub-legends. There are also gold accents on the modifiers and gold on the runes. So I think this keycap set came out really nice. It's very crisp. It has a nice feel to it. It's got that satiny textured, lightly textured feel that you like in a keycap, or that I like personally. I don't know if you like your keycaps smooth, but I like them to have a little bit of feel to them just so it doesn't feel like I'm typing on a table. So let's pop into some of these add-on kits. First up, we have the green alphas, which will match your modifiers and get rid of the white if you don't want white in your keycap set. Next, we're going to be opening up the novelties, which I have to say the space bars are amazing in the novelty kit. I can see myself using them on multiple different keycap sets. I really like the way those leaves came out. There's also keycaps that have what appears to be a bow and then like some boughs, like branches, and another rune escape key that you can use as well. I like that it has the gold because I don't think they used enough gold keycaps in the base kit. And then this is the extension keycaps, which have all the different sizes that you may have not gotten in your base. If you're building an ergo docks or a split, you're going to need those smaller keycaps, and that is where this keycap set will come in. So if you're new here, guys, thanks a lot for being here. Hit that like and subscribe, and have a great rest of your day.